Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to analyze power and energy in hybrid electric vehicle using MATLAB Simulink and with MATLAB powertrain block set. How to analyze this energy and power means just you click on that analyze and power energy block, you will get MATLAB live script file here. Okay, before you have to get this copy of this reference application model from MathWorks. Just in command window, just you type this command auto block HEV start, then only you will get this project like this. In this project you can get this powertrain block set. Here there are two files are there called HEV powertrain controller Simulink model. Based on that, here you have to get this script also. Here this system file you are getting. After that, you can analyze this energy summary and generate energy report also there. Okay, this is previous one. Just how to get this file. Once you type this command, you will get in this type of reference application model for a multi-mode hybrid electric vehicle model. In this electric vehicle model, it contains general contains a drive cycle source block, and this is environment subsystem, this is longitudinal driver subsystem, and this is controller subsystem, this is passenger car subsystem, finally the visualization subsystems. Already in this previous video we have discussed about this what is FTP 75, what is drive cycle source block, and what is environment system, how it creates the environment variables, and by using this drive cycle source block, how to generate standard or user defined user specified drive cycle velocity versus time profile, and also this block output is selected to the specified vehicle longitudinal speed also. And then what is the use of this longitudinal driver to generate the normalized acceleration and braking commands, and this controller subsystems implements powertrain control module and transmission control model and also engine control model. So finally this passenger car subsystem implements the passenger cars that contains transmission drivetrain and electric engine plant model subsystems. This visualization subsystem shows displays the vehicle performance, fuel economy, and emissions results, and that is useful for powertrain matching and component selection analysis, and also for hardware in the loop that is HAL testing. Then what is the objective of this video is how to get this MATLAB live script for hybrid electric vehicle. Just you click on this block, analyze power and energy block, you will get in this command window, you will get in the editor, you will get this type of live script file. In this live script file means in this live script itself you can get this all the outputs, all your programs, and also all your summary, overall summary, also all your graphs and all things you will get. Here before run you can see the system name, that is what is a vehicle power analysis blocks, and overall summary block, and engine plant summary block, and electric plant summary block, and drivetrain plant summary block. Finally this is a Simulink data inspector plot. This is one of the application of this live script. Just you can see after run what will happen, you can see. Based on that you can get this you can generate energy report also. What this script includes, what is this script, MATLAB script, that is a live script provides. By using this you can overall energy summary report you can get, that you can export to an Excel spreadsheet also. You can also export the report in an Excel spreadsheet. And also this engine plant summary, by using this one you can generate a histogram, that is a engine plant histogram of time spent at the different engine efficiency also you can plot. And there is a electric plant summary, similarly electric drivetrain plant summary. Finally this is the important one, SDA plot summary. Now simulation script is running. After finished one you can get this output in the same live script. This is the objective of this video is you can generate MATLAB live script, and also we can see the performance and fuel economic scope also by using data SDA plot, that is a data inspector summary plot, that is a SDA data simulation data inspector plots. You can compare various scopes by using this one. This is a important application of this application reference project. It's still is running. After run, you will get this output, because here there are 7 drivetrain model is there. Because we are updating the model reference simulating target, there is a 7 models are there, updating model, including there is a electric plant model, and this engine plant model, and finally the powertrain blocks model. As you can see, electric plant summary and drivetrain and engine plant summary. Because it takes some more time, because we have to generate the report. That is each and every plant, there is a engine plant report and electric plant report and drivetrain plant report, and also the output plots also you can generate. So that it takes some more times. That is a 5 of 7. It's going on. Just wait for some time, you will get the interactive application. Previous video, it shows only the fuel economy and emission results. There is a vehicle performance like speed and measuring the motor torque and other parameters. It is useful for matching, powertrain matching analysis and component selection analysis. But this type of application, this type of video, it is only for to analyze the power and energy of this electric plant. Now it is coming. Now we can see the output. Also you can see the plot also there. Now here you can see this is a power analysis run. That is a successfully updated this model reference simulation target for this battery, drivetrain block, and generator block and motor block. Here in this type of model, SI engine controller, SI engine are utilized here, because this model contains by default this HEV multi-motor reference application is configured with mapped motor and generator and 1.5 liter spark ignition, that is SI dynamic engine. So that it shows the SI mapped engine and SI engine controller and the powertrain controller. And after that we will get this output. We have to wait for up to this area. What's the overall summary we have to get. Now the normal one, performance and FE scope, like this previous video, the first video, it shows. Only we have to get this MATLAB live script by clicking this block, that is a green block, that is analyze power and energy block. Then only you have to get this type of MATLAB script file. By using this MATLAB script file, here also you can change the parameters. Here also you can see the report, that is a energy report and energy summary in the form of Excel sheet, the Excel spreadsheet. Also there is overall energy summary. You can export it to an Excel spreadsheet. Just you are seeing here this trace velocity, actual velocity, and engine speed, and state of the battery state of charge and current. It takes some more time to update this model. Meantime, we can see the analyze how to how to get this output. The meantime, just you have to we are analyzing this example model. Now you can see this after this one overall summary report is generated, displays the final energy values for each and every subsystem. We can calculate this summary report, that is a passenger car subsystem, what is the efficiency, what is the energy loss, what is the energy input, what is the energy output, and what is the energy storage. In this manner each and every subsystem, the first one it shows the a passenger car drivetrain and gear differential and compliance and front axle compliance, and these are vehicle body, that is our vehicle body longitudinal subsystem output, efficiency and energy loss, energy input and energy output and energy stored. These are electric plant. Previous one is drivetrain block. This is a electric plant, and what is a battery and mapped generator, motor, engine, and all the things you can getting this summary. What is the engine plant summary? Previous one is a overall summary. Now step by step, that is a block by block, we are getting the summary, engine plant summary. In this engine plant summary, we are getting average efficiency of 0.28, and what is the signal inputs and outputs, what is the losses and stored energy. In this manner we can get this engine plant summary. And this is a histogram. Previously we are discussed about engine plant histogram of time spent at different engine efficiencies. Here engine efficiency histogram diagram, there is input power, efficiency and occupancy time. And this is a electric plant summary. Previous one is a engine plant summary, and next one the histogram of engine plant, and this is a electric plant summary. In this electric plant summary, what is the input, what is the energy, input signal, what is the energy, this average efficiency is 0.91. In this manner we are getting. Then next one is the drivetrain plant summary. In the drivetrain plant summary, it shows the input and output signal, what is the losses, how many energy is stored here, how much energy shows here. Then what is the final one is a SDA plot, that is a simulation data inspector plot to analyze this plot, to analyze the powertrain efficiency and also the energy transfer signals. What is now we are going to see what is this simulation data inspector. Here each and every block, each and every signals we can analyze. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 options are there. First I am clicking this first one. What I want to check this one is first wheels and brakes. In this wheels and brakes, once you click wheels and brakes, you will getting this one. And I am checking another one, that is a transmission input interface. It's a transmission input interface, and that is a differential and compliance power in front wheel. Also you can drive speed. And finally I am checking the battery performance, that is a lithium ion battery performance. In this single graph itself, in the single block itself, we can compare your values. For example, you can compare here, for I need to compare with the lithium ion battery with another one, that is input power bus, and the next one. Here itself we can compare the result. For example, I am checking lithium ion battery pack information bus with this one. Now we are getting clear one. And so in this manner you can analyze. Means that it's a lithium ion battery pack. There's a information bus, power accounting bus creator 1 is another color. It shows the next one. Similarly, there is a transmission input interface. I am going to analyze with a drive shaft compliance. Just in this manner you can compare all the type of signal output. This is a interactive application of this interactive simulation data inspector plot blocks. In this manner you can analyze the outputs. It's the same thing, the legends also coming, what are the signals we are comparing. Based on this, not only with this one, these the input signals also you can get this efficiency also, you can compare this one. Now if I want to remove this one, means again you remove, and you can analyze the efficiency. These are all the signals. What are the signals, input signals and output signals, what is your losses, all the things you can compare this one. Okay, in this manner you click. If you want to analyze with this chart with losses also, you can get. This is the application of this one. This finally you can save as your data into ML DataX file, in this format. And the next one, you can import. You can also generate report. You can also import data from workspace or export data to the workspace. You can in this data, what are the comparison data, also you can import with workspace. What is workspace means? Here itself, once you import in this workspace, you are getting this one. Okay, here what is the answer, what is the drivetrain power analysis, what is electric power analysis, what is the vehicle power analysis, all the things you are saved in your workspace. Similarly, you can see the generate report block. Okay, just to generate report block, where you can specify the folder block and all things. Also, it is saved in the form of Excel sheet also. Okay, now this is our output. What are the things we are comparing means? It makes like report, HTML report is generated in this date. Based on that, you can analyze your signal inputs. What are the parameters you are going to discuss by using this STA plot. STA is inspector plot, that is a simulation data inspector block. Okay, this is a model of this hybrid electric vehicle multimode reference model. This is the interactive way of analyzing this output, and we are getting this report summary, and also we can get in this manner. We can get this report. If you have any doubt, kindly comment on my videos. Also, with this MATLAB live script file also we can get it from my YouTube channel. Please see and get this file. The file contains this MATLAB live script with overall energy summary and engine plant summary and histogram plant and electric plant summary, drivetrain plant summary with the simulation data inspector plots. Thanks for watching. Thank you.